For years, if you wanted a book-style foldable in the US, you had two choices, Samsung or Google. But while we were all looking at the Galaxy Z Fold, something insane happened. IDC just dropped a bombshell. Motorola now owns 50% of the US foldable market. They didn't just catch up, they're winning. And now they've finally released their Samsung killer. This is the Motorola Razr Fold. It's got a screen brighter than the sun, a battery that puts every other foldable to shame, and it's the official phone of the 2026 World Cup. Is this the device that finally kills the Galaxy? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the hardware, because the spec sheet flex here is real. The Razr Fold is only 4.6 millimeters thin when open. That makes it one of the thinnest book-style foldables ever made. But the real star is the display. The inner screen is a massive 8.1-inch LTPO POLED. But wait for it, the peak brightness is 6,200 nits. To put that in perspective, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 only hits 2,600 nits. You could literally use this as a flashlight in a stadium. And for the clumsy among us, Motorola is the first to use Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 3. They claim it can survive 20 consecutive drops from 1 meter onto concrete. That's 75% better drop performance than previous generations. The biggest pain point for foldables has always been battery life. Motorola solved it. They packed a 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery into this 4.6 millimeter body. That is the largest battery in any horizontal foldable in 2026. We're talking 43 hours of mixed use on a single charge. Plus, 80-watt wired charging gives you 12 hours of power in just 10 minutes. But it's not just dumb power. Motorola and Lenovo launched Qira. It's an ambient AI that lives across your phone and your Lenovo laptop. Catch Me Up summarizes everything you missed. Pay Attention transcribes and summarizes your meetings in real time. It's basically like having a personal assistant living in your Hinge. Historically, foldable cameras were fine, but the Razr Fold just took the DxOMark Gold label for the /1 foldable camera system in the world. It's a triple 50-megapixel setup using Sony Lydia sensors. The main sensor is huge, 1/1.28 inches, meaning it drinks in light. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide that doubles as a macro-vision lens and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 100x Super Zoom Pro. Whether you're in the front row at a concert or the back row at the World Cup, this camera is built to perform. Speaking of the World Cup, Motorola is the official smartphone partner of FIFA World Cup 2026. They've released a special edition with a football-inspired raised dot pattern and 24K gold-plated logos. It even comes with exclusive arcade games and priority access to buy match tickets starting April 13th. And then there's the Moto Pen Ultra. Unlike Samsung's tiny S Pen, this is a full-sized modular pen that feels like a real writing instrument. It works on both the inner and outer screens. It might be a separate accessory, but it allows the phone to stay thinner and the battery to stay bigger. So, the price. In Europe, it's €1,999. In the UK, £1,799.99. For the US, we're expecting a range between $1,899 and $1,999 later this summer. Is it expensive? Yes, but when you compare it to the competition, the value is clear. Samsung is lighter and thinner, Google has better water resistance, but Motorola wins on battery, screen brightness, charging speed, and raw camera power. With a 7-year update commitment, Motorola is finally making a phone you can keep for the long haul. Motorola just proved they aren't just the flip phone company anymore. They are a serious threat to the high-end market. But what do you think? Are you ready to ditch your Galaxy for a Razr? Let me know in the comments.